5 free AI photo enhancers claim they'll transform your blurry disasters into crisp masterpieces. But do they actually work, or are we about to witness some next-level digital nonsense? Let's start with PhotoGrid. They promise 100% free enhancement with 0 watermarks, which immediately raises my investigative eyebrows. After diving deep into user reviews and testing reports, PhotoGrid actually delivers on this bold claim. The AI handles various photo types remarkably well, from night shots to portraits. Users consistently report sharp, vibrant results without the annoying watermark plague that haunts most free tools. This is legitimately impressive. IMG Upscaler takes things to absolutely ridiculous levels, claiming they can upscale images to 16,000 pixel resolution. What in the algorithmic circus is happening here? Their no-login approach is refreshing, but here's where reality kicks in. While the tool works efficiently for moderate upscaling, that 16K claim requires some serious asterisks. Most images won't reach those astronomical numbers without starting from already high-quality sources. Still, for everyday enhancement needs, it performs surprisingly well. Waifu2x is the veteran of this chaos parade. This open-source tool specializes in anime-style art, but supports regular photos too. Being completely free and open-source means no hidden fees, no premium traps, just pure functionality. The neural network approach produces clean results, though it occasionally struggles with complex real-world textures. For anime art specifically, this tool is borderline magical. Upscale Media promises 8 times enhancement without quality loss. After analyzing user feedback and technical capabilities, this tool consistently delivers solid results. The interface is clean, processing is fast, and the AI algorithms handle various image types effectively. However, that 8 times claim works best on lower resolution starting images. The bulk processing feature is genuinely useful for workflow efficiency. Pixelcut rounds out our investigation with their 3 free downloads daily limit. This restriction actually makes sense when you consider the computational costs involved. The 4K upscaling capability is legitimate, and users report excellent results for product photography and social media content.
Here's my verdict after this deep dive. PhotoGrid and Waifu2x emerge as the genuine champions for completely free, unlimited usage. IMG Upscaler and Upscale Media deliver solid performance with realistic expectations about their capabilities. Pixelcut offers premium quality with reasonable usage limits. If you need unlimited free enhancement, go with PhotoGrid or Waifu2x. For occasional high-quality upscaling, Pixelcut delivers professional results. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this investigation saved you from downloading 5 random apps just to test them yourself. All 5 tools actually work as advertised, which is refreshingly rare in the AI enhancement space.